babies, it's Baby Dove. Like personally, Dove is one of my favorite brands. Since childhood, I absolutely love Dove soaps because they are so nourishing and moisturizing, and also they are made with 1/4 moisture cream, so they always leave my skin soft and smooth. And I got really excited when World of Moms reached out to me to try this new Baby Dove Nourishing Baby Lotion because being a mom, it's my responsibility to use only good products on my baby, like something I know is safe and is coming from a well-known brand. So I had no doubts while trying out this lotion on my baby because I know it is coming from the brand that I have always trusted, Dove. Baby Dove skincare range consists of 4 products. There is a bathing soap, diaper rash cream, wipes, and this Baby Dove Nourishing Baby Lotion. Actually, I wanted to go ahead and buy all the products because they have such a cute packaging, but I'm starting with this. So this is how the Baby Dove Nourishing Baby Lotion in the Rich Moisture variant looks like. It comes in this cute chubby white colored plastic bottle with a blue cap, and I so love this cute bottle, and it fits into my palm so nicely. Like, I love to hold this bottle, and the shape of this bottle actually resembles a drop, maybe a drop of moisture, and I really like that it comes with this flip top cap. So it's really easy to dispense the product, and I also like that it shuts with a click sound. So I will show you. You see, it shuts with a click sound, so it's very easy to travel with. So I don't have to worry about the lotion being spilled in the bag while I'm traveling. So it's very safe to travel with. Let's just see what all it claims. So your baby's skin is beautiful, but as a mother, you know that little ones can get dry skin that needs extra special care. Our unique, rich moisture nourishing baby lotion is pH neutral, soothes dry skin from the first use, and provides 24 hours of moisture to leave baby skin extra soft and delicately scented. The fragrance developed for baby's delicate skin, and it's dermatologist tested and pediatrician tested. So this Baby Dove baby lotion is pediatricians tested, it's pH neutral, and it's hypoallergenic. I mean, it's completely safe for the baby's delicate skin and can be used on the newborns as well. So actually, I have been using it on my baby for quite some time, and I absolutely love how it leaves my baby's skin soft and smooth, and I have not experienced any redness or itchy skin, like any of the skin issues that sensitive skin can get. So I haven't seen any issues on my baby while using this lotion. So I'm really impressed, and it reassured me as a mother that it is safe for the baby's skin. Also, this lotion retails for Rs 180 for 200 ml, which is so affordable. I mean, everyone can try and buy this product for their baby, and they don't have to shell out a bomb to try a good skincare product for their baby, and it's so easily available. Like, you can buy it from your neighborhood store. Now let's see what the lotion looks like. So I'll just pour it out on the back of my hand. So this is what the lotion looks like. It's a creamy, milky white colored lotion, and talking about the texture and consistency of this lotion, it has a very smooth, creamy texture. As you can see, it is not too thick or thin, and it spreads so easily. Like, within few rub, it just gets into the skin without leaving any greasy or oily texture. And I really like the lotion doesn't feel heavy or like greasy on the skin. It feels like a lightweight body lotion. And I love the fragrance of this Baby Dove baby lotion. I love Dove fragrances because they are so mild and soothing, and this Baby Dove baby lotion is no exception. It has a similar mild, calming scent, and I like that it doesn't feel fake or artificial. It feels very natural and something that enhances the natural body scent of the baby. I just love it, and I just need a small amount of this body lotion while applying it on my baby because the formula is so intensely nourishing that it keeps my baby's skin soft and smooth throughout the day. Like, I don't have to go for a reapplication because it just locks the moisture into the skin, and It just keeps his skin very smooth and hydrated throughout the day. And I recently got to know that baby skin loses moisture 5 times faster than an adult. I mean, baby's delicate skin is so prone to dryness that we have to take extra special care to keep the baby skin soft and smooth. And for me, this Baby Dove baby lotion does exactly the same because it just locks the moisture into the skin. Like usually all the baby lotions are very mild and gentle on the skin, but this Baby Dove baby lotion goes beyond mildness and it actually restores the skin moisture, and that's why I really love this Baby Dove baby lotion. I just love this lotion. And yes, that's my review about this Baby Dove Nourishing Baby Lotion Rich Moisture variant, and I'll totally recommend you guys to try this out.